here, I hear. That's the whisper from the room. We're also seeing the dollar sell off, although less than before, 108.12. Just to reset, we are about to hear from Fed Chair Jay Powell after they did not raise rates for the first time in 15 months after 10 consecutive meetings of rate hikes. Now, they are not hiking, but they are indicating they are going to hike at least twice more before the end of this year. Their work is not done. That was very clear in
tightening. Today, we decided to leave our policy interest rate unchanged and to continue to reduce our securities holdings. Looking ahead, nearly all committee participants view it as likely that some further rate increases will be appropriate this year to bring inflation down to 2% over time.
So hello guys, as you have seen with the video right down there, we have seen the Fed in the United States say, right, they won't be increasing the interest rates for this month, but they probably hinted that we could see 2 more 25 basis points increase, right, in the next coming few months, right? And as you can see, the market did not take that well, and we saw one more last push to the downside, right, even for IDOM, right? As you can see from our yesterday's video, we're expecting lower prices even for the price of IDOM. This is the chart for Cosmos versus the USD dollars. We are on the daily time frame, and we were still expecting this downside even for Cosmos IDOM. We were saying that we could see some huge consolidation before we see one last push to the downside. As we see in technical analysis, right, every single time we have a week like this, most of the time we come back to feel that week. As you can see, same thing right here. We had this week, we came down to feel that week. So most of the time that happens when we have a week like this, right, we see price comes down to fill up that week. And so that is what we should be expecting, at least a push right down even to the $7.3 level, right? That would be a huge whopping from where we are, a whopping just 14% to the downside, even for the price of IDOM. So that is what we are expecting, right? Even though on our indicators, we saw the bulls coming, right, to push the price up a bit. But as you can see, we are having some kind of bearish cross, which is about to happen even on the stochastic. The stochastic helps us to measure the strength, right, of that asset, and as you can see, we have about to cross, which is very bearish right down for IDOM. So we could see another push to the downside right down there for IDOM. Also, if we look at the, as you can see, the money flow, as you can see, a lot more money coming into IDOM right down here to support, but I doubt if this would be see continued action. As you can see, technical analysis saying we should be seeing one last push to the downside, more taking profit even for the price of IDOM. So that is what we should be expecting for IDOM, one last push to this downside. But if provided if the bulls can hold this support area, we could see a push to the downside, which I doubt, as this is the more likely scenario, the push to the $7.3 region. So if you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching and have a blessed